Hey guys, so it's March 3rd and we're just here chilling. It's about after 6. I just reached home from work about an hour and change ago. So we're here putting together one of the gifts that we got from the registry. It's a Fisher Price swing. So David is here putting it together. I think if he could have go to the instructions, he would trade it, but he reading the instructions to try and do. So I here for support. I just here for support and to help him. Ain't much I can really do because I don't really feel good either. I think I'm getting sick again. And I wish I'm not. I hope I'm not. But I'm going to the doctor this Thursday, so if I get worse by then, she'll have to give me something. Because I can feel my throat starting to get sore and stuff. But Lord, I try and stay hydrated. And take my honey and lime. So that's what we're doing right here now. So I'm gonna show you how we're going. Here's how far we got. Well, you look like you're moving fast.
Main of the other song or timer? You did that for day and not for night.
Buy it.
Not for
Hey you guys, so it is Wednesday, March 4th, and I just got home from work. Oh my god, it's a long night. Got home from work. What time is it? 6? About an hour and change ago. So I done feed the dogs and everything. And I got another little gift from the registry, so I just wanted to share with you guys from Amazon how pretty it is. It's all wrapped. They chose the gift wrap option. Let me turn it around so you guys can see. This is how it looks. And the little gift wrapping. Navy blue with a gold bow. And we got the card. Let me see what the card says. Enjoy a gift from Kelvin. Oh, that's David's co-worker. Thank you so much. I'm gonna open it now. Let me pause it and open it. Oh my goodness! This looks like a it's the bedding set. It's the Lambs and Ivy 4-piece crib set, and it's pink and gold, all the colors that matches the nursery. I'm gonna do the nursery tour soon, guys. And it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I guess these are other pieces you could buy for it. as well. So this comes with, let's see, the coverlet, sheet dust ruffle, and diaper stacker. Oh, thank you so much. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna take it out and I can wash it and then just make up the bed because I have another one too that I was gifted. I'm gonna take all of them and wash them now. Yeah, so let me go get a rest. Okay, so here are the other things that I have to wash. Some of the socks that she got. These vests, newborn vests. And I also have, I won't keep these here. I'm gonna wash these because these, she can't fit these anytime soon because there's medium and small. This for like when she got a little older. So I'm gonna just put these in the drawer. And I got some fitted the crib sheet for the play yard. I'm gonna wash it now. And then these are some outfits for her photos. I'm gonna wash those. And then this is the other set that I got as a gift. This is the elephant one, the 3-piece. So I can wash this one too. This one is more like with green and that color. So I can open them now and wash them. Hey you guys, so today is March 11th. Good morning. It is actually 10:47 and I just got a package that came in via FedEx and I don't know who you're from, but oh my god, this packaging is so pretty. Excuse my hair, I washed it yesterday and I molded it. So I'm gonna be curling it tomorrow because we're gonna go see the hospital. We're gonna take a tour of the hospital that we want to deliver at. So I'm gonna be heading out tomorrow, but I'm actually on spring break, so I've been home for like the whole week and I just been taking it easy today. Yesterday I cleaned and did some organizing, but I didn't film it because I was just in the mood and I just went for it because I had that little burst of energy. That's Leela them in the background if you're hearing that noise. But I just wanted to share with you guys this packaging because I don't know who you're from yet. I ain't opened it yet, but I just opened like the top and it's so pretty. Like it's from Dillard's. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see. Okay, so here's how it's looking. Like it's so pretty, like this packaging. It says Dillard's. So we're gonna open it together. Oh, this is just a box. That's another box. What the heck? Like, what is this? This mine? Let me make sure this my package your hair, cause it got my name. I saw my name. Yeah, I have on my name. They have on my name, but oh my god, like, what is this? And who is it from? Let me bring it over here. Okay, so we have one here. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. And then have like, how much did I have? Like, oh my god, what? And then have more in it. I'm so scared to open them now because I don't know, like, these mine? I wasn't expecting anything. Oh, I have another one underneath there. Like, oh my god. It got a card, something? It got a card? Oh, it got a card there. Okay, wait. Let me read this card before I open these things. Oh, congratulations, Leann. So very happy for you. Wishing you a safe delivery of your beautiful baby girl. Blessings on you and your husband. Love you. Oh, Miss Fenton. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh, so you have like a gift receipt here. Okay. This is so like, oh my god. This is so, wow. Let me put them there. Let me take them over here in the living room. Okay, I'm gonna push the box over here in the living room. Because I'm in my office right now, I'll do some stuff on the computer. So here's a little glimpse of the nursery, guys. By the time you see this, the nursery tour should already be up. And this is her baby bag that I got. I got this from Amazon. It's so nice. I'm looking for the scissors. I have the scissors in here because I've been working. I love how it came out. So go check out the nursery tour video, guys, if you haven't already. So let's open up these and see what's inside. Like, this is so exciting. Oh my god. Let me see if I could prop this camera up.
If you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost.
So there's a set of onesies in the first box. Aw, that's so pretty. Ballerinas. And then just a regular one. Hey you guys, so it's March 12th. It's a Thursday and I'm here getting ready to go for David from work because today we are headed to the hospital that we are gonna deliver at to do the hospital tour. And so I dropped him to work this morning, so I'm gonna just pick him up and then we're gonna head up to the hospital. So the hospital that we're gonna deliver at is about, like, on a good day without traffic, like 45 minutes from our house. So, which is, there is one closer in case of emergency, of course. You know, I'll go to that one first, but this one where I wanted to deliver, not where I want to deliver, but the center where I go, where my doctor is at, they deliver at these hospitals. So the one closest to my house, they're not in there as yet, so it's like if I go there and somebody has delivered me, I don't have to pay them because I already have a plan set up with my OB and everything, and I don't pay them already for delivery and postpartum and stuff like that. So like if I go to a different hospital now, like it's like I'm gonna be double paying. So that's why I have to go to the one where they actually does deliver at. So yeah, so hopefully baby girl decides to come late night, 4 o'clock in the morning or something, and we gotta drive up there. You know, no traffic, but I gonna be on the road. It's gonna be smooth sailing. So I'm just, you know, pray to God, and you know, since it's my first baby and stuff, I think I should have ample amount of time. So I'm gonna concentrate on the road and talk to you guys when I reach closer. When I reach for David and park up. So see you. Hey you guys, so it's the next day, March 13th, and I just wanted to come back and give you guys an update on how the tour of the hospital went. I actually loved it. I like that it's its own wing. It's its own like women's center wing of the hospital. I like that, so it didn't feel really like hospitality because it had like a ER kind of vibes to it. So I really like that. And the rooms, the labor and delivery room is very big and is very up to date with like modern technology and stuff like that, in terms of like dimming the lights and the shower, the bathroom and everything. They have like jet tubs and jet showers and stuff like that to cope with pain. So I really like that about it. And hold on one second, let me get my water. Yeah, I really like that about it. And yeah, it was just an overall good experience. I really feel comfortable there. My OB them, they delivered her, and I feel comfortable with them. I just love them. And so yeah, that's where we're gonna be going. It is about 45 minutes away from our home, like I told you guys. But hopefully she not coming at night. Like I just would like to be there, you know, nighttime, whatever. I just don't know. But yeah, so I headed to the gas station, and then I'm gonna go going to wait. Sorry about that. So yeah, I had to head to the gas station and then I'm going to get David from work. So, Lord have mercy. Are these pumped? Wait, they gonna gas? What the hell, bro? Oh my god, they gonna gas? Oh, I gotta go around on the other side. Wait, sorry, they already get no gas? This one have a gas. This pump have nothing on it. So only like one side. Only like one side have gas. What the hell? Oh, it's out of order. What the fuck? Bro, they ain't gonna gas. Wow. So where the hell am I gonna get gas from now? Restruck. Crazy. Let me go. I think I can make it up the road by David, you know. Wow. I hope this ain't because of, I won't say swine flu, you know. The corona shit, no. People, I just hope that the gas truck can come. People tripping and they buying a lot of gas. They got a gas station right next to this one. So I'll just be going over here to get some gas. I used to come to this. This was 7-Eleven. I used to come here, but I had to stop coming because I don't know. I would like to be bougie with Great Shark. But they have gas over here. Oh, they don't feel me. Yeah, so let me go pump some gas and be right back. Yeah, so I'm back. Let me get my hand sanitizer because, you know, I ain't trying to catch no germs. Where is it? Oh, right in here. Sanitize my hands. Okay, you know, old girl out here pregnant and touching on these gas pumps and stuff. Yeah, I ain't trying to catch nothing while I'm pregnant. Okay, so back on the road. Yeah, so I'm kind of excited. I know it's somewhere that I'm excited to go to the hospital, but it just makes me feel comfortable and I'm kind of excited for my experience. So yeah, right now sorry for all this turning with the steering wheel. Yeah, so I just had snacking at some of my favorites, like carrots. I'll be craving carrots, like that's so crazy, yo. Like I used to eat carrots before I was pregnant. But it's like now that I'm pregnant, I'll be craving it just like the little baby carrots. I just want to eat them, so that's why I'll be here snacking on. So yeah. So I'll talk to you guys a little more when I reach for David. Because I gotta concentrate on the road. Bye. Oh wow.